Weight Success. I am Christian Evans. In today's video, I'll be bringing you into my local grocery store, Hyvee, where they have the best fresh coffee beans that I get up and I get them and I grind them up for my pre-workout. And so I'll bring you in and show you guys how I mix up my pre-workout drink. All right, stay tuned. All right, for those of you who've been following me for a while, you know that I'm starting to really love coffee. I use coffee as my pre-workout, as far as before I work out. I just don't want anything too heavy on me. So I'm going to show you how I mix up these fresh coffee beans here. So, show you my combination that I got. So, let's see, I'll start off with espresso beans. If I can find my espresso beans, okay. The shot tower espresso. So I get my bag. Probably about this much. Probably about a quarter of a bag. Then I get some French vanilla. Probably fill it up by a little bit halfway. Then I get hazelnut. Now I'm looking for hazelnut. Got some hazelnut right here. Alright, let's see if we can top it off. It smells wonderful. And a little bit of this Kenya Plus. And top it off like so. Then we're gonna set this to, I like to grind mine fine. Then we gotta make sure there's no coffee beans in here. Sometimes people leave, you know, coffee beans in there. Alright, then we're gonna pour it in here. Alright. So now we're just gonna set our bag right underneath here. And we're going to turn it on. We're going to make sure this got that overfill. We want that filled to the brim, man. All right, you see that? Fresh ground coffee. Right now. So we just bag it up. Now we're going to get this puppy weighed out. It's about $7.99 a pound. This is probably maybe about $12 or so. This is my pre-workout right here. This coffee will last me probably about 2 weeks or whatever. Because I just drink maybe about 16 ounces in the morning before my workout or right before my workout for the most part. So let's go ahead and get this rang up and we're out of here. You have it. I went and got my coffee. Sorry for the extra noise. I got the AC on. It is really hot here and I'm in the car and I'm trying to film this as fast as I can, but yeah, this is probably maybe about let's see, it was about a pound, a little bit over a pound, and it was $9.19. So I like using coffee as my pre-workout. You know, it's just, I trust it more. You know, that's just me personally. And gives me the amount of energy that I need to kind of, you know, push through my workout or just that initial push. A lot of times I can kind of just, you know, kind of will myself through a workout if I tire out, but you know, I need that initial, you know, that umph. And yeah, this is my gold right here. All right, so I might do another video on pretty much how I mix mine up, you know, and what I put in my coffee. So I'll probably end up doing that. So thank you for taking time out to watch this video. Remember, it's each one, teach one, spread love, not war, speak positivity into your life every day, and speak positivity into someone else's life every day. If you haven't done it already, please subscribe to my blog, christiansweightsuccess.net, and this YouTube channel. Peace out.